This marketing tactic should be legal, but I'm about to show you anyway, because I have recently discovered a platform that is solving the biggest problem marketeers, business owners, wannabe marketeers are facing. How to generate buzz, how to bring traffic to the product, to their website, bring customers in front of their door, create virality towards what they're doing. So imagine this, you have a website, you have a product, you have a new startup, a new software, even a YouTube video or your course, and you want to generate traffic, right? You want people to see you. So with this platform, you can generate tons of content for whatever you want to communicate, podcasts, videos, articles, news articles, and spread them across 300 plus sites, including YouTube, Spotify, Google News, and major publications, amplifying your content and your reach risk-free. Check the comparison with other marketing solutions. Let's get to it. So the platform we're going to be using, it's called AmpCast AI by Amplifier, which generates organic multi-channel traffic out of a single source. So imagine your brand or your content or whatever you want to create buzz about, being in the center of this circle, right? And podcasts, videos, news articles, blog posts, social media, content, slideshows, infographics being distributed in hundreds of different platforms automatically. I mean, this sounds like a dream for every marketeer, right? It's super simple to generate, and I'll show you exactly how it works. And you can get an idea in this beautiful infographic. Of course, I'm talking about super targeted distribution, right? Not just getting posted wherever. So, I'm gonna create an account and let me show you how easy it is to spread the noise for what you're doing. So once you create your account, you have two options, right? You can request an AMP, which means you give a brief and you let the platform do the heavy lifting for you. All you gotta do is enter your company info, write a few things about what exactly you're doing, your course, your website, your piece of content, your new software, whatever you want to promote, right? So I will give some info about Simply Digital. I will add my logo right here. Then enter your details like company address, your social media links. It literally takes less than 5 minutes, to be honest. And when you provide everything, you need to write some things about what exactly you want to promote, right? I want to promote my AI library, best free AI websites, or my new course, or the software that we just launched, or a new thing happening in your company and you want to communicate it, right? You want to create some buzz about it. The target keywords, like best AI tools, free AI tools, best business, so the platform can match you exactly with the right distribution list for you. Add some media, like some images, even AI-generated content, right? Post it right here. And then you need to select how often you want Amplifier to write for you. Once a day, once a week, once a month, and what kind of distribution you prefer. The other way you can do that is by selecting the I will do it myself way, where again, you need to enter some details about your company. You see Simply Digital. And by the way, this is the very cool option. Select a topic for which you want to create your own AMP. I want to promote my website, the biggest AI library globally with free AI tools. I will paste my URL, as you see right here. Some images again from your platform, from your software, whatever, and I will hit generate content because now the whole process begins where AI is taking over and will generate articles, blog posts, podcasts, slideshows, videos for your tool, for your software, are having a sip of coffee. So check it out. A few minutes later, we have the news article written for us. You see here the headline, the content with the right principles. You see that the headline is correct. We have the right keywords. It's SEO optimized. We have some links, outbound links and inbound links as well. It's well written and you see the green ticks on the right. The page count, which is approximately 700 words. And then you see the blog post that it's ready for us. Same principles apply here. An article that will be distributed in hundreds of different publications. Our podcast, where you see the headline right here. The transcript, so you can select the voices, Brian and Matilda. You can see the whole transcript right here. We will listen to the podcast later. Your slideshow, so an entire presentation created for you. You can edit the slides, change obviously the color options where I'm gonna select my brand colors. And then we have an infographic with the same content, right, that you can use for blog posts, or this can be added on Pinterest, for example. Infographics can generate tons of traffic online. And of course, video content. You see here some short videos that have been generated for us. You see the information about the scenes, tired of endlessly hunting for the right free AI tool. What if one single website had every single tool you need? And you can have the same also in landscape mode, as you see right here, portrait or landscape. You see some frames right here. And here's our podcast as well.
Why are so many entrepreneurs still dropping hundreds of dollars on AI subscriptions when there's literally a massive library of free tools out there?
That's exactly what we wanted to solve. Most people don't.
Super cool, right? And now the final step is to publish the whole content strategy that we have created together by selecting the distribution tier you prefer, right? You can start with this plan right here or go for the ultra premium distribution depending on your brand stage, your budget, and the goal you want to achieve. So make sure to try it from the description yourself. See if that's something that can work for you. And if it does, you can use also my code for some extra discount. Obviously, you can have different amps created. You see that this is in progress right here, my own amp. Whenever you have news, whenever you have something new, or you can have one in a recurring mode, so it generates for you traffic without doing the work again and again. It works in autopilot and brings you traffic. You can also check the stories, the Amplifier stories, where you have all those different case studies of different companies, businesses, initiatives that got huge organic traffic because of using this platform. So do your own due diligence and you can decide whether this is something you can do or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit a like, show some love. Watch this video as well for some extra inspirations, some great side hustle ideas. And until next time, simply hustle.